In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hover effect to elements in Wix Studio using Chrome. This is a great way to enhance the interactivity and visual appeal of your site, engaging visitors with dynamic effects that bring elements to life. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and launch Wix Studio to access your project. Your first task is to select the element you want to animate. This could be an image, a button, or a text field, basically any component you think could benefit from a bit of movement or visual transformation to capture visitors' attention. Once you've picked the element, click on it to highlight it. This will allow you to access its properties and delve deeper into the customization options. Now that you've selected the element, look over to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find the Design or Animation Settings panel. This is your toolbox for adding unique styles and movements to your chosen element. Click on this panel and within just a few clicks, you'll see a choice to enable or add a hover effect. Hover effects are animations that activate when a user's mouse hovers over an element, making your site experience more interactive. In this panel, you have a variety of hover effects to choose from. These effects might include a color change, where the element shifts in color when hovered over, a scaling effect, where the element grows or shrinks slightly to add emphasis, or an opacity shift, which gives the effect of the element fading in or out. Each option can create a different feel or focus for your website, so select an effect that complements your site's design and purpose. After selecting your preferred hover effect, you have the opportunity to customize it further. You'll want to adjust the duration and style of the effect to suit your design goals. The duration will determine how long the effect takes to complete once activated. A quick duration might add an energetic feel, while a slower transition can offer a more elegant or dramatic effect. Simultaneously, you might wish to experiment with the style settings, which can alter how the effect is perceived, providing subtlety or impact depending on your choice. Once you've fine-tuned the hover effect to match your vision, it's crucial to preview your changes. Take a moment to see how the effect behaves in real time on your site. Make sure it's smooth and functions as you imagined. If it doesn't quite meet your expectations, don't hesitate to go back and adjust the settings until it feels just right. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, hit publish. This will update your site so that the new hover effect is live for all your visitors to experience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use hover effects in Wix Studio to make your site more engaging. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps bring your website to life with added style and functionality.